So, after running so poorly today, I stripped her down. Probably play the footage after done talking. I also put in the 28 pin from the 22. Now, in order to fit it in there, though, I had to mangle my motor mounts. Cut that open so that it'll open up wide enough. Not a whole lot I can do about it. Gonna have to mangle that one a little more, but she runs real good right this moment. I'm gonna. That beeping's all gone. All those problems I had earlier when we were out in the yard are all gone. Part of the problem was the slipper clutch was kind of kittered a little bit. For some reason, it's not quite right with this rear end. The diff in the front is starting to go, so I swapped the rear one, put it in the front. So when my diffs come in, I got a couple coming in, put it in the rear. That and the reason I put the larger pinion in is tomorrow the hope is to do some a speed run with it and see where we get with this new slipper clutch. My plan was to open this thing up anyways. I'd run it at the skate park and at the track and then in the yard today, and it just started dogging that, and I had to fix the shocks were leaking a little. As you can see, I went back to silvers with the gray tops. I just wanted the new shocks I got. The larger ones, which were these grays, actually, they're garbage. They had a deeper plunger in the top, and they just leaked. 3 of the 4 leaked, and I did everything I could to make them not leak. Now I had those on when I was at the track too, so I mean I just asked for it when I went there. I had crappy shocks, all the other problems. Anyways, so you can see she's running real good now. Pretty happy overall. I do need to get a new servo, but those are coming too. This servo's garbage. This is the one that came with it. But yeah, hopefully I can get by with this ESC because it is strong enough for this motor. We'll see what our speed run is tomorrow. Hopefully you liked it. Like and subscribe and all that.